Cam,
Yeah.
what is this place?
Oh, this is the inside of a trailer.
Okay.
This is what we take when we go on pond builds.
Right on.
We got all of our fittings. We got spare hose that's supposed to be on the wall, but employees get the best of it some days. And
Yeah.
then we got all of our tools. We have foam. If anybody knows anything about ponds, you have to have a lot of foam.
Right.
We got liner repair kits. So when people have trees fall in their pond, like it's going to happen tomorrow, it's going to be windy.
Oh.
You're able to patch the
True.
liner.
Oh,
Then
good
we
to
have all
know.
miscellaneous fittings. So if we're on a pond job and somebody goes, I think I'll like a valve installed on that. I would like less flow. We're able to do that because we carry those.
Right on.
So then we carry 1.5 inch, 2 inch. Then we carry extras, and we carry kink free. And then we just have miscellaneous parts and fittings throughout.
This is pretty cool.
That help us get the job done.
So literally a one-stop shop when you're installing ponds.
One stop everything.
Awesome.
And on the other side of this wall is all of our shovels and more tools that we use to shape the ponds and help create them.
Cool.
Spray
Very
paint,
nice.
miscellaneous.
You have everything. And that's a good point, too, with the wind and stuff like that. The
Yes.
trees
Now,
coming
wind tomorrow
down.
is going to be very crucial.
Actually, it's
for your
today.
ponds.
I think it's today.
Is it today?
I think so.
Well, I'm lost.
That's okay.
But it's going to be very crucial because when you have a big branch fall into your pond, then your fishy isn't okay. Well, that's a problem.
Yes,
So you better
absolutely.
make sure your fishies are okay.
So what should they do, like, if a tree does fall into the pond?
Well, I wouldn't recommend them getting in the pond. It's a little cold for that.
Right.
However, unless they have waders. If it's a branch that they are able to pick up themselves, that's great. If not, I would call a tree company.
Got it. Okay. And then anyway, they can inspect the pond or just keep an eye on the water
You'll
level?
notice the
or
water level goes down
Okay.
if there's a hole. If the water level does go down, go just Tractor Supply or your local farm store and get yourself a trawl or a cow trough
Okay.
and put your fishies in the garage for the winter until we're able to fix the hole.
Gotcha.
Because
Okay.
if the water obviously goes down, say the tree fell and pokes a hole in the bottom of your pond, well, now there's not going to be any water in there for the fishies. And
Right.
the fishies have to have water in order to survive.
Exactly.
So you're going to need
you
that.
think?
You're going to need that.
And of course, if they have any questions, they can just give us a call.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
We
Okay.
don't have farm trolls, though.
We don't have. No, we don't. No, we don't
No.
carry those. But
No.
you said
The-
Tractor Supply
Yeah,
and
Tractor Supply, runnings.
runnings. Okay, I was
Yeah.
thinking about that too. All right, very cool. Thanks,
Stay
Cam.
safe. It's
All
gonna be
right.
windy. Don't get
Thank
blown away.
you. Bye bye.
Bye.